what's up? Welcome to my kitchen. It's your favorite cook, Kirby. Today we're going to be going over a super simple recipe and something that is very important in many dishes when it comes to barbecue. The BBQ rub. It's been probably over 10 years since I've purchased a bottle of barbecue rub. It's just really simple to make. It takes really simple ingredients and it comes out fantastic when you start playing around with it. Now, the more you do it, the more creative you get with it and you add different flavors to your barbecue rub. So for today, I'm gonna be just showing you how to do a basic barbecue rub, you know, that most barbecue rubs consist of. So let's get down to the recipe so I can show you how to make it. Super simple recipe right here. And this is where I started learning how to make barbecue rub with these basic ingredients. These ingredients is the base for all barbecue rubs, and trust me, once you start learning how to do this and whipping up different flavors, your rubs come out even better. So for simple measures, we have 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, a half a tablespoon of black pepper. This right here is a tablespoon of chili powder. We have 2 tablespoons of salt. Now you can moderate that if you want it a little bit saltier. I kind of hold back a little bit, so I try to get other flavors in there and just to make it like an even seasoning. And then we also have a tablespoon of onion powder and then 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now this is the base of my rubs. I put all kinds of different things in there. A good suggestion would be like lemon pepper, turmeric, tarragon. I put in, I crushed some oregano in there, cumin. You know, I really play with all these different spices since I have access to these. But this right here is the base of my barbecue rubs. Alright, so we just get a spoon. You want to break up that brown sugar. You could put this in a blender also. Just go ahead and give everything a nice mix. What you'll have to work on is the brown sugar. That's gonna get a little clumpy on you. You know, putting this in the blender actually helps. It'll break it, you know, break it all apart and get it nice and mixed. You just wanna work out the brown sugar because it does clump up on you. So you just wanna go ahead and get it, you know, mixed up and to kind of take out some of that moisture, the stickiness from it. But yeah, once you get everything mixed up, it should be okay. We got a funnel here with a seasoning bottle. They sell these on Amazon for like, I think it's $15 for like a 12-pack of them. They come really handy, especially when you're doing this. And there you have it, folks. Some delicious barbecue rub that probably cost you less than $1 to make. Really simple to do. Trust me, once you start playing around with your barbecue rubs and the different flavors and stuff like that, you'll always be doing this. Now all we need to do is just make some barbecue with this. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, it's very easy to do, and trust me, once you start doing this, I guarantee you won't buy another barbecue rub ever. So if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and the bell so that we can see future videos just like this one. If you have any questions or comments you want to say about this recipe, or you want to, you know, let me know what you put in your homemade barbecue rubs, go leave it down in the comments section. And while you're at it, hit the like button for me. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.